I'm very excited to share today's solution. Just recently, while browsing through some top-notch Shopify store like Mr. Beast, I noticed a new trend of using dynamic scrolling banners, just like this. So there are new trends and they are very useful for the website. Now, if you are itching to get your hands on these eye-catching features but your team does not support it, don't worry, I have got a solution for you. I have developed a customizable section for you that you can seamlessly integrate into any theme, whether you want to add in your header, footer, in the body, or anywhere section that you want to cover. Check out the link in the description below. I set a minimal price for this for my development effort. From the description below, you can get the code link from here. You can buy this code from here at a minimal price. After purchasing that, you will get a zip file like that. Extract the zip file. Here you will get the code which you can copy and paste. Now, to add this code, at first go to your Shopify dashboard, then go to your online stores theme page. Click on the three dot, though it's optional, but if you want to back up current theme file, you can duplicate by click the duplicate option. After this, click on the edit code, collapse the template folder and expand section folder. Click add a new section, write ultimate marquee or any other text that you want to use. Click done. Now select the existing code, select all by Ctrl A for Windows and Command A for Mac, then copy this, and come here, select all, remove this and paste the code here, then click save. Awesome, the section has been installed on your store. Now let's see how to add this marquee and do the customization. For that, come here and click customize, click add section, search marquee, ultimate marquee scrolling, add this here. Automatically the marquee is showing like that. Now let's see how to do the customization. For example, we want to show on sale, add an icon, okay, we need to resize the image. For that, come here and click on this. Now at first resize the image, then discuss about the other things. Okay, so we need to increase the height of this, I think 50 or 70. Yeah, that's pretty good. Increase the section gap 30, 40 is okay. Okay, now let's customize this. I think the image size is now better. Now let's do the customization. Here the global banner link is for that. If you want to use a link all over the banner, so you can do this. For example, if you want to add this the product or any other page. You for this the link will be open in another new page. Animation, you can speed up or down the speed of these animations like that. And we have also for dedicated for mobile also pause and hover. That means basically when you mouse over you can yes or no like that. So by default I prefer to keep yes. Let's increase the size 10. Okay, animation direction is like animation direction is left, right is for here, and alternate is it will go here and go there. And then number of duplicates, basically for when you add the text, that the text should not in the big screen to the end, so you should duplicate it 10 to 12 times. But if you want more, you can do it like from here. Background color, for example, you want to give a background color based on your theme, for example blue. Okay, and text color white. Perfect. Then typography, from here you can change the font size. For example, we want to change the font size to 50. Okay, perfect. Then for the mobile we have another font size, and you can change the font from here. Then weight is like you want to give a bold or something like that. You can change the line height, letter spacing. For example, if you want to change the letter spacing, then the letter spacing will work like that. Okay, then already we see that how to change the image settings. Border style, so for example if you want to top border for example blue, how it looks. Okay, we want to give red, and we can increase the border size, for example 10. I'm just showing so you can understand. We can use dotted or double or dashed, whatever you like. So for example solid, and we want to use here 5, and yep, we can use this color. That's okay, pretty okay. So then you can also change similar like this the bottom border. For example, I'm just showing here okay, so you can also, I'm giving okay, so this way you can also change the bottom border color. So gap means basically this text and this text, each blocks gap. So if we want to increase the gap in 30, that's mean basically there will be gap, the gaps increased. Okay, perfect. So spacing and is for the 100%. If you can change the section width from here. And also for mobile and section alignment, you can change when the section width will be smaller, then you can change the alignment of this. You can set the border radius, top spacing, you can change from here. So I hope you get it, that how to do it. And if you come back here, you can also see that it can be used in the announcement bar like this. So for this only, just you need to add this a marquee frame. Instead of this, you need to just add this here, so you can do it here. So I hope you get it, that how to do how to add this marquee on your website. And